So hello everyone and welcome back. Let's continue with our practical use cases and learning how do we apply generative AI. And currently we are learning about diffusion model, which is image creation and all around it. In the last video, we learned about Tensor Art, but we were not able to practically see the control net, how it works and what exactly it is doing. But yeah, before we go here, go in it again and we try to do it. We can just quickly go through this particular tensor art. So again, it's a UI that gives you power to control or use different models. So for example, if you talk about models, so models also a lot of people use the name as checkpoint. So checkpoint, whenever you hear it, just assume it's talking about a model. So K colors or you can say colors is a specific model that specializes in creating images like these. Now you have got Flux One Dev. There are real anime and Halloween Excel, all these different kind of things, right? So these are specific models. These are workflows. Workflows are like advancement of models, or not exactly advancement, but it's a series of using different logics to create maybe some video or something, right? So if you want to create an anime, so for example, let's talk about models in anime. So yeah, if you see on a diffusion V6 is one of the common models. So if you click on it, let's say run, right? So now it will load this particular model for you. And if you just simply create or you can say generate an image, it is creating a task for you, right? So we use the last prompt that we are using. It's validating, and then what it is doing is creating a specific image out of. And if you see when the image is getting created, so for example, yesterday we were using Flux and it created an image like this. So it's more of a realistic human being an image like that. But today, when this gets created, it's in progress. Let's see. So if you will say the image that is created for the same prompt here will be very different because the model is different. Now this will be more anime style. So if you see, like yeah, it's pretty bad, definitely pretty bad. But still, if you see the idea is pretty different. So black outfit on a beach. So let's remove Nike shoes on and just see on a black outfit. Like let's keep it simple, right? So this is because the model is not that strong. If it would have been like the better the model is trained, the better images we can get. So let's keep the prompt very simple and let's see this time I guess the image would be better. Now if we add control net, there are see different type of control net, right? Now here there are more control net considered to Flux. So if you go to open pose only and we use this one, let's use this, right? And we will keep it one. That's completely fine. Let's see today if it works. Again, it's exception. I don't know why. It's not just working. So you can try out different models and see which one works. Let's yeah use this. Let's remove it. Let's see what it creates. I think open pose is not working because probably the image is not working. Let's use a different image, right? For example, I will go and probably use this image. Okay, let's say we use this image, right? So what it will do is it will create an open pose after analyzing this particular image. So let's see what it take. For example, it was able to identify these body outlines. So let's confirm it. Man in black outfit and girl looking in the eyes, the in pink dress. Let's see this. So let's see. I hope okay this time it was not there was no exception, so that I'm very happy. So even if you see here, they created the eyes are a little distorted. I'm definitely sure like the image here will be very bad because again these are basic models and it again depends on how much or how well it is trained. So if we take Flux, which is pretty good model, to remove this, add control net, add pose, and if we take the same pose, right? Let's take this one. Let's confirm. Right, perfect. Let's generate. Okay, oh, okay. The previous model made it crazy. Oh my God. So it seems like we just created an AI generated image 1 year back, but no worries. So this is how you figure out which particular model works for you. A lot might create weird images or bad ones. So one thing you need to learn is pick any specific model and see what other images which you find good. What are the prompts used for them? So certain prompts or some certain learnings are important when you are creating an image. So just take a model and learn what exactly or how prompts are being written for those models. Learn from other, you can say, people who created it, and you can then improve your own structure. So that's all I guess from today's lecture. Let's wait before this gets created, and this would be the actual demonstration of using control net. We're talking about open pose. If you need more edges, you can say, for example, you want a dog, you have a dog image, and you want same pose, or not only pose, but same style, but different colors or different variation, then you can use the control net for panning. If you are in any scenery, you want depth, you can use the depth one, right? So let's wait. It's creating, and you get like at least this is for free. Tensor Art is free till you use the credit. Post that you can purchase if you need more, right? So today we are talking about text to image. We will see image to image. So if you see the pose is mostly which is contained, right? The boy, and see, if he's in black outfit, she is in pink dress because I mentioned dress, and it's so real, right? It is so real compared to what we just saw. So that's what the difference between a good model or a model like Flux creates to the image that is generated. So that's all for today, and see you tomorrow.